Students, by now you must have understand that how we should describe a floral family or a flower. There are various headings under which we have to describe a flower, or you can say a floral family. For example, in our syllabus there is a family Solanaceae which we have studied yesterday, and this is a family which is commonly known as the potato family. And so you start from the vegetative characters if you start describing a flower, because these are few points you have to keep in your mind while you describing a family. So first is the vegetative characters, where you describe about the stem, describe about the leaf, and then come to the floral characters. And in floral characters you have to take into the consideration that you have described flower, calyx, corolla, and and gynoecium, and after then you have to describe fruits, seeds. And after describing all these things, you have to write a floral formula for this description and also draw a floral diagram for that. And this description is not complete yet until and unless you throw some light on the economic importance of that plant. Because if you are describing any family, or if you are describing any plant or flower, so that means ki how it is useful for you, how it is useful for mankind, it is also very important. So economic importance is also a very important thing which you have to describe. This family, that means Solanaceae, who is also, which is also known as the potato family, it is also a source of food, because various kinds of food items, vegetables like tomato, brinjal, potato, spices like chili, and medicines like belladonna, ashwagandha are found in this family. That means the plants which are grown in this family are like, they provide you various kinds of medicines, they provide you various kinds of spices also, and fumigatory things also, like tobacco leaves are used in making cigarettes, आपको पता है. तो fumigatory भी हैं. Tobacco plant भी इसी family में पाया जाता है. And ornamentals also. Ornamentals means the plants which are used for the ornamentation of the garden. जैसे आप garden में लगाते हैं, grow करते हैं, there are lots of flowering plants, तो they are known as the ornamentals. That means उनसे beauty बढ़ती है आपके garden की. The petunia is the name of the flowering plant basically which comes into this family. There are lots of plant, not like which I am telling you right now कि only these plants are present into this family. बहुत सारे plants होते हैं, but few are the names which I am going to tell you, because we are if we are not describing about the economic importance of the plant which you are described, तो ये complete नहीं होता है. So that means कि whenever you describe a plant, you remember the various headings in your mind so that the description will not go wrong. Otherwise आपने कोई भी एक बीच में skip कर दिया, your description will be completely wrong. तो आपको सीक्वेंस में चलना है, लाइक मैंने आपको बताया, वेजिटेटिव, स्टेम, लीव्स, फ्लोरल कैक्टस, then fruits, seeds, flower formula, floral diagram, and the economic importance. And I think you understand what I am trying to tell you. In this lecture I just want to tell you all these things.